Hi, my name is Esther Salami.
And I'm Pius Kadam.
You're welcome to another episode of Showbiz Plus on the News Chronicle TV.
So today, as usual, we're going to take you through another entertainment journey. And then first we're going to start with
Sean Diddy Combs, aka Puff Daddy, P Daddy, Love, who was arrested on Monday, September 16th in New York. He was detained and is held for charges ranging from sex trafficking. I mean, in fact, the mind-blowing one was 1,000 baby oils. Like, what do you guys do with baby oils?
Are you referring to me or Sean Diddy?
Well, I don't know. 1,000 baby oils. Like, what was he using it to do?
I don't really know what is wrong with these celebrities sometimes. Although this thing started when his former girlfriend, Casey, came up with an allegation that he was sexually molesting her for the past 10 years that they have been in a relationship. So, and I'm wondering, you've been with someone for like 10 years and the person has been molesting you sexually and then you never raised an alarm.
Well, see, this thing is very psychological. For us who are not in normally with sexual assault cases and all, domestic violence, like for people who are outside, it's easy to be like, why can't you just quit? Why can't you leave them? But don't forget that he was like her producer, as with many other persons. He had something against them. It was either their reputation or their contract or a charge. You know, when you have something that you could use against a person,
he blackmails them.
Yeah, I mean, if you check some of the documentary that has come out since he's been charged, you see that this case is indeed a very deep one. I mean, he was denied bail, so I really hope that they get to the root of the matter, because the allegations are very, very serious allegations.
They're really great. And then thank God for the American authorities, at least, especially the legal system that is working. You know, someone would have thought that things like this can be swept under the carpet, considering the fact that he's a very big celebrity.
Yeah.
In Africa, some things like this can be, can be maneuvered with money and all.
Yeah.
But then he's actually answering for it, and then it's a good thing.
So make sure to check this story out on our website at the news-chronicle.com, and be sure to check our social media platforms, which you can see on the screen.
Do that right now. And then the next is a very cheering news for Nigerian hip hop world.
Yeah.
The BET Hip Hop Awards coming up in October, and then has Burna Boy and of course Odumodublack in the nominations for the BET Awards. And then they are the only Nigerian hip hop artists that have been nominated.
Oh, that's
Burna Boy has been nominated for the this category, the best live performance, something like that. Yes, that category, and then Odumodublack for one of the categories in the BET Awards. And then it's congratulations to them. And I hope that they win because Burna Boy, in his particular category, he has been meshed with hip hop heavyweights, not just in Africa but the United States, the likes of Drake, the likes of Nicki Minaj, the likes of Mega the Stallion, all of them are in that category. So, I mean, we're just praying that at the end of the day he clinches the award. Yes, and of course Odumodublack, who is also a fast rising hip hop artist, not just in Nigeria, Africa and the world. So we're praying for them and then hoping that they bring home these awards at the end of the day.
And then our final story.
Final story is on Fuse. The guy that gave us "If I Broke Down Your Business," something like that. He talked about Nigerian artists, especially upcoming artists who are dabbling into Nigerian music industry. Most of them see Nigerian music as a venture to make money. And then he's saying that the whole music thing is not for you to come solely because you want to, you know, make money. Music is God, music is life, music is so many things. So
you know, I mean, where I know, I kind of like know where it's coming from, but I mean, let's be realistic. You can't just say you want to follow your passion, and you're not able to monetize. There's a reason why it's called showbiz. Like, it's a business. And when you check the big names in the music today, they approach music with a business mind. And it doesn't mean they are less passionate, but man, you've got to help your fans, you've got to help people.
True,
so you can't just, you know. But I do get this point because if you love what you're doing, it's going to reflect in your music videos. And you look at the videos Taylor Swift do, you know that this is something she loves but then you can't throw away the money making part of it.
The angle is trying to look at is the fact that you have to put passion first.
So right? Passion first.
Yes, you have to put passion first, and then naturally, without you even struggling for the money will come naturally. You know.
Well, to every man.
So, yeah, sure.
So we're moving on to our next segment, which is particularly my favorite segment of the show. We'll be recommending 3 top movies for you to watch this weekend. And the first movie is...
Drum roll.
Beekeeper.
Everyone, need your attention, please. I'm gonna burn this place to the ground.
You're a blessing, Mr. Clay. This place was crabgrass and weeds, and you brought it back to life.
Mrs. Parker and I were friends. She was like family. She was the only person who ever took care of me.
I just got a message saying that there's a problem with my computer.
Yes, ma'am, we got this.
Yesterday, she shot herself.
This is private property.
Do you know what they do here? Scamming the weakest in our society.
Buddy, I'm counting to 3.
1, 2, 3. There, I did it for you.
No, you can't take it. No, you can't.
I'm gonna burn this place to the ground.
You can't take that away from me.
Will you stomp his ass out?
You're telling me one man did this. The only thing you know is he's a beekeeper.
A beekeeper? Well, that's not good.
Beekeepers is a special program outside the chain of command.
I protect the hive. When the system is out of balance, I correct it.
We have laws for these things.
Until they fail, then you have me.
My fingers, he cut them off. Oh, what the fuck, bro?
Don't move. This is much bigger than a little phishing scam.
The money's going all over the world, to people in finance, even government.
You are a problem. Goddamn right, I'm a problem.
No way he's coming there straight through the back entrance.
I figured I'd give the firefighters a break.
Somebody detain this guy. Ah!
We have to kill him before he kills his way to the top.
Honey?
It's flammable as fuck. Oh no.
And our second movie is Rules. Interesting movie.
I tell you I'm not tired, I'm lying. Every job that has decent pay, like 100K, men, it's men that they are looking for. Even if I won't collect person, now man. Please do not be fooled by my appearance. What a man can do, a woman can do better. Madam, hope no problem. Eh? Check us see. Mabel, I have an idea.
How long have you been driving?
For very long, sir, if I do to say so by myself.
Have you ever had an accident before?
I never walk on the day that the land and the road is hungry, sir. Sir, I do believe a trial will confess you. Hey, get it! Hey, get it! Please, sir, just give me a chance. A long one, this can never be my destination.
Are we here?
Where, sir?
What are we doing in the cemetery?
Okay, it's Gonguma that bring me to this place. Say turn right, I turn right. They say turn left, turn left. Now I found myself here, so I reached my destination.
Where are you coming from?
How is that any of your business?
Tessie, you need to stop all of these behaviors.
So tell me, is it true village boys are strong, active, in bed?
Ramos, why do you buy me Bosafine?
Kabiru, see, you are not children. I'm using my body to tell you. Kabiru, this thing I do for you is person that like person that used to do it.
Madam Alancho. Jesus Christ. Ma, please stop all this thing you are doing. I can't look you in the eye. I don't want to disrespect you, ma, please.
You know I can change your life, right?
Madam, my life is very okay the way my life is.
Let me take care of you.
Madam, stop. I'm well taken care of. I didn't need all this. Madam, stop this thing. Stop this thing you're doing now. You didn't need all of this behavior.
And the third movie we'll be recommending for you to watch this weekend is Moana 1.
For generations, this peaceful island has been home to our family. But beyond our reef, a great danger is coming. Legend tells of a hero who will journey to find the demigod Maui. And together, they will save us all.
Maui!
A boat! A boat!
Maui, shapeshifter, demigod of the wind and sea. I am
Hero of men.
What?
It's actually Maui, shapeshifter, demigod of the wind and sea, hero of men. I interrupted from the top. Hero of men. Go. I'm not going on a mission with some little girl.
This is my canoe, and you will journey to different.
Did not see that coming.
The ocean is a friend of mine.
First, we've got to go through a whole ocean of bad. Kakamora.
Kako, what? They're kinda cute.
Moana! I got your back. It's Maui time! Really? Blow dart in my butt cheek.
We're going to the realm of monsters?
Don't worry, it's a lot farther down than it looks.
So be sure to check those movies out, and make sure to tell us what you think about them. Comment down below, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll see you next week.
Tell us what you think about the whole movie.
Yeah.
And the whole show. My name is Pius Kado.
And I remain Esther Tsunami.
It's a wrap.